5 reasons you should have your bathroom waterproofed. Dear friends, having your bathroom waterproofed is one of the most important aspects of a home improvement project. That's because waterproofing not only protects structures against damage but also eliminates possible health concerns. Top reasons to waterproof your bathroom. Washing and bathing produce a lot of water vapor in bathrooms. Made from porous materials, bathroom walls absorb the vapor, retaining it for a long time. Inside the walls, the vapor erodes materials and causes cracks that let in more moisture, which creates hydrostatic pressure and leads to extensive damage. One simple way to avoid severe structural damage and costly repairs is to waterproof your bathroom. Waterproofing is highly recommended to avoid water damage in the first place and address the source of many problems, which range from water ingress, mold growth and early paint failure to rotten wood and the corrosion of metal structures. Waterproofing is required to extend the functional lifespan of buildings, improve living conditions, and reduce maintenance costs. Here are the top 5 reasons why you should have your bathroom waterproofed. 1. Structural damage. Moisture in the atmosphere may damage an entire building, but its detrimental effects can be seen especially in areas with poor ventilation, such as inside corners, joints where walls and ceilings meet, etc. Although it takes a long time until moisture-related problems become visible, they can cause considerable damage if ignored. 2. Condensation. Condensation that occurs within walls may lead to paint discoloration, mold growth, and wood decay. Additionally, excess moisture accumulating inside walls facilitates heat transfer, which may result in heat loss and higher energy bills. The vapor from your bathroom can also travel a long distance to adjacent rooms, affecting indoor air quality and causing serious mold problems. The easiest way to prevent condensation inside walls is to have your bathroom waterproofed by a specialist. 3. Infestation. A wide variety of pests and microorganisms such as dry rot and mold thrive in damp areas, causing various health concerns. To avoid infestations, you should have your bathroom waterproofed if walls or parts of walls tend to stay damp for a long time. 4. Maintenance costs. High moisture content within walls can lead to cracking, blistering, and peeling paint, rotten wood, and severe mold infestations that may require the assistance of a professional. All these will increase maintenance costs considerably. Waterproofing, on the other hand, prevents moisture from penetrating the walls, saving homeowners thousands of dollars in future repairs. 5. Increase the value of your home. Whether you plan to sell your home or live in it for the rest of your life, keeping it in tip-top shape will help increase its value and improve your chances of getting a loan, if ever needed. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.